Hello, old friend. You guys might not know, but I'm a former M5 owner, had an E39. Now we were a few generations removed from that, but we came back with some technology and a little bit of weight. But we have the 2025 BMW M5 Touring, and this is a little bit different. BMW has moved into the future with the hybridized powertrain. So we got a little bit of electric, a little bit of V8, a whole lot of fun and a whole lot of power. And this, for the first time, we have the wagon variant in the United States. So look at the quad exhaust, more aggressive, the long roof. Let's see how more practical it is back here than the sedan variant would be. And these German cars be different. You would think lifting it forward would raise the trunk, but you have to push it down to raise it a little bit backwards. But man, that thing raises super high. Be careful parking this in your garage. Got a whole lot more storage in here than you would on the SUV variant with better handling. They're ringing the alarm because this is something special. Let me close that. Take a peek into the back seat before we meet and greet on the road here, in which the car is locked. Capacitive touch unlock button on the door. Looking into the back, we do have a red interior. Privacy shades. Bucket seats. These M-bucket seats are looking nice and righteous. Got our climate control in the rear. Panoramic sunroof. All right. Ooh, in the seat belts we have the M-colored stitching. Coming on up front, we have the front side of these buckets. Two-tone M5 illuminated on there. Nice headrest. Soft supportive seats. It's like sitting in the submarine in here, which is great for driving position. So looking around the cabin, everything looks nice, modern, and unmistakably BMW. This generation does stand out a little bit more because it's normally just plain black, but we do have some contrast in here. Some nice colors on the HVAC controls, carbon on the dash, bigger screen in here. Do have our BMW iDrive, gear selector right here, and the stop start. Gonna buckle up for safety as usual. If you don't buckle up please. And we're gonna get this show on the road. Long roof style. Oh. Getting the M5 out on the road. Everything in comfort. I noticed off the bat this suspension is pretty stiff. Even just going over the speed bumps, I'm like, man. But this is the sportiest variant of the M5 to date at this moment. Expect the competition in the CS at some point later on in the future. Steering wheel is big and chunky, how I like it. Got paddle shifters. Do have the M1 and M2 button. I think I'm gonna crank it up to M1. It's gonna rev a little bit higher, get a little bit louder. Gonna be careful out here today as it is raining. It's gonna be raining literally for the whole day. Seating position feels fantastic in here. Got that dialed in. Just enjoy everything, how far in or how close the steering wheel is to me. Enjoying everything about this driving position so far. And these bucket seats are mad comfortable. Steering wheel feels amazing. Elbow pad feels amazing as well. Nice squishability to it. Shout out to Substitute Topher. Topher Drive, check out this channel. Stole that from him. And we're gonna take a turn over here. Great sounding V8, just the way I like it. We're gonna shift it over into manual mode because why not? Saying the manual doesn't come with the manual, but doesn't mean we can't have fun still. So put that in S. The S is for swag. We can crank it up just a little bit more. Steering's in comfort as well. We can mess with that. Oh, I can change that right here. And this looks like a cluster frick of options here. Change the chassis to the stiffest setting. Keep everything else how it is. As I said, you can change a lot of things to it. You can change how much power you want from the hybrid system to assist with driving. Downshift just a little bit. Downshift a little bit. Power to go, go, go. amazing. Taking that turn a little bit too fast. This car hides its speed very, very well. Coming up on the railroad track. Downshift. A little bit of standing water out here. Gotta be careful. Thankfully this comes in all-wheel drive, so definitely help you maneuver through these treacherous conditions. Got a little slippage too. Some little pops. Feels solid, man. Definitely love an M5. And definitely with the long roof on it, this would be my choice, as it is the most practical variant of the BMW. Kind of want to take this the long way back. I just might do that. My turn is tucked off over here somewhere. In Wisconsin, where cheese is abundant. What does that matter to a vegan like me? Let me dial that suspension back. Uh-oh, we got a straightaway. I don't think I can help myself. I just want to know. Go roll into it. That thing's scooting a little bit. Too much power for the conditions, but it's very, very maintained out here. Doing the Stug Dizzle. Gotta love the M5. I wonder will they bring an M3 wagon variant here, but I would definitely take this over the X5M, X6M all day long. This is just speaks to me. I like cars over SUVs. No knocking against SUVs, it's just a personal preference. Standing water in the roads. And I am very gingerly on this throttle right now. But this thing instantly goes, ain't no slacking about it. This thing can promenade, scoop. Oh yeah. This is the car I want to take around. One more again. The instant I hit the accelerator, we are going and being thrown back. Should be called the M5. All these grunts I'm doing here, man. All right, that's gonna wrap it up for this quick drive with the M5. I wish I had time to go all over this, but I got a 20-minute slot with this vehicle today. Had to make the most of it as I return back to Road America. So it's a fine West track out here in Wisconsin, and I will catch you all in the next video. Don't forget to drive safe. I know I will. Now, like I said earlier, check this speed bump. All right, appreciate it. Super stiff suspension, but that's why we got the M variant. We would have got the 540i had we want to be soft and plush. You can't buy one of these and expect it not to be harsh, even though they do have these sophisticated chassis and wizardry for the dampers and dampening. But this is a track car. You bought the track car, expect the track chassis. All right, y'all, drive safe. Peace out.